In the basic state, press the left button for each second to enter the temperature control program setting state. After setting, long press the half circle key or do not operate for 10 seconds. The instrument will automatically save and return to the basic state. Press the green start button. Long press the down button on the instrument panel for 2 seconds, and the device will heat up according to the program. The voltmeter and ammeter on the operation panel will also change according to the program.